Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the toll roads. And on more than one occasion, persons have left comments to say the government can't fix up the roads beside the toll road because there is an agreement in the concession agreement that says they cannot do it. And I've also heard comments that say Jamaica can't set up a railway service because it's going to compete against the toll road, and the agreement they signed said that they could not do it. So I've always wondered about those comments, and we've gotten them quite a few times. So we looked into the toll agreement or the concession agreement, and the Toll Road Act does have a section in it where the Jamaican government cannot set up a road that would compete with the highway. And if they do and the traffic on the highway drops, the Jamaican government has to pay the person who has the concession for the highway. So I found this a bit interesting, so I'm going to read the actual section in the act. This is signed, this I think was done from 2001 or 2011, so it's in effect. And remember, the companies were given concessions to operate these highways for one was 35 years and the other one was 50 years. So both agreements have been signed. So I'm going to read the section that pertains to this now. The developer shall be entitled to a payment of or an adjustment to the compensation amount to reflect any reduction in traffic levels that arise solely from the carrying out of works by or on behalf of the government of Jamaica, which A. provides a new rail public transport passenger link between Spanish Town and Kingston, or B. enhances the speed or capacity of competing roads within the transport corridor served by the toll road, except those schemes or projects included in the list below. 1. Northern Jamaican Development Project, improving the Northern Coastal Highway from Negril to Fair Prospect. 2. Upgrading of the 3 miles roundabout in Kingston. 3. Improvement to the Jose Marti and Old Harbour roundabouts on Spanish Town Road bypass. 4. Widening of Washington Boulevard in Kingston between Malines Road and Dehaney Park Avenue. 5. Expansion and upgrading of Port Bustamante in Kingston. 6. Expansion and upgrading of Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston and Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. 7. The refurbishment of the existing single-track passenger rail link between Kingston, Spanish Town and Williamsfield, and Spanish Town to Yorton to the level operating before the closure of the rail link for the carriage of passengers. For the purpose of determining the amount of compensation amount payable under this clause, the reduction in actual traffic levels on the toll road, if any, will be determined by an independent traffic advisor mutually agreed between the grantor and the developer. If no agreement can be reached on the appointment of the independent traffic advisor, either party may request the President of the International Chamber of Commerce to appoint the independent traffic advisor. So that's section 25 of the Act. So that speaks to competing roads. Now, I found this very interesting because yes, somebody comes in and builds a highway and they're given a concession agreement to collect funds to collect the toll to pay back for the highway. But to say you cannot, I mean, guys, what do you think? What do you think about this? Let me ask you guys what you think. Because Jamaica needs a railway service. The country is growing at a tremendous rate, but we need a railway service. And I heard people say the government isn't fixing the regular roads because they want people to use the toll roads. And I also know that there are revenue guarantees in this act as well that says if X amount is not collected in the toll, then the government has to pay the shortfall. But that has never happened because this road is very busy. A lot of persons use this road. I think the figure was, it's in the millions that use this road every year. I think it's like 25 million cars use this road every year. Between 18 and 25 million. So this road definitely is a busy road. So we don't have to worry about the toll not being collected. But there are sections in the act that talk about the railway service and competing roads. So guys, let me know what you think. So I'm trying to think what competing road. Well, the railway service definitely will compete with the toll roads, without a doubt. But they said something about to the level operating before the closure of the rail link for the carriage of passengers. So I'm not sure what that level was. But you have the main roads still run alongside, well, not alongside, but the main roads still run on the southern coast of Jamaica and the north coast of Jamaica. I mean, those roads are nowhere near highway quality roads. So you have to ask the question, if the government was to fix those roads, would that be considered competing with the highways? I'm not sure, guys, but let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.